Hey everyone, welcome back to Winnie's Travels. Today we've got a special hotel review for you from our recent trip to Panama City Beach. We stayed at the stunning Homewood Suites and trust me, it was an unforgettable experience. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our travel adventures. Let's have a look at the breakfast area. It was too busy during breakfast time, so I recorded this in the afternoon. Let me show you our cozy room. The Homewood Suites really nailed it with the decor and comfort. We had a fantastic view of the pool. The room features very comfortable beds, 2 large TVs, a well-equipped kitchenette and a modern bathroom. I was thrilled with the room, but little did I know that our stay would take an unexpected turn. Before we walk to the pool, we look at other amenities like the fitness center and laundrette. The pool area at the Homewood Suites Panama City Beach is amazing. It's spacious, has a lovely view, and there are plenty of lounges. Now let's come to the pool mystery. It turns out that the Homewood Suites is unable to get a pool maintenance person that comes during the hours when the pool is closed. So my 10-year-old son, wife, myself and other guests got kicked out of the pool at 1 p.m. when it was 100 Fahrenheit or 38 Celsius, not being able to use the pool for many hours. And as a Hilton Honors Diamond member, I got yelled at by the receptionist when I asked nicely why we cannot use the pool during the day. So Homewood Suites, I think you can do that better.